Hi, I am Suhan and today I want to talk about the data structure trie. As when I was learning about data structures like hash table, heap, linked list, stack and queue and tree, when tree came, I was very excited to learn it. I learned many types of trees such as arithmetic tree, binary tree, and a question from the Google, that delete node return forest question. You can see it on my channel, and the DFS method for the trees, and also the maze solver. Now when I learned about trie, I made the trie program run smooth, and it was the best program or one of the best programs, but I was stuck on making the remove function. As it was very hard to implement, I tried many times and succeeded at last after 2 days. I searched every site or almost every site on Google and looked up the code for it, but no code was being found, or the code which I found was half or had only the remove function and did not have how they implemented the node or every node. As you can also implement trie in different ways. I have implemented it using a class called a tree node. Now I will show how to use it. If you need to insert Java, then write insert and Java, and then if you want to insert JavaScript is also inserted. You can see that JavaScript has Java in common, so it is marked with stars. Now if you want to search for the function all with prefix, means if you want to get the words with the prefix, then enter it and Ja. We will get all the words which have Ja in it. Now at last we get that JavaScript and Java are the words which have Ja in it, and these are only for testing purposes, so as you can understand how the recursion works. Here my program goes from Ja to V, then A, then S, C. It only shows how the program works. The end result is here. Now if you want to search for the pre or it is there or not, then you can do it by typing search for the pre and search for Java, and you get true, as Java and JavaScript has Java in it. You can also search for any word and check whether it is in it or not. Example, search, and I will search for sun, and it returns true, as in my tree structure sun is present. So it was all of it. I want to share it because many were trying to learn new data structure and it will help a lot. I want to also show the function delete. If I delete Java, then Java is been deleted and only JavaScript is there. And if I search now for Java, it returns false, as Java is been removed from the database, and Java is removed in such a way that there is no consequences of removing Java, and we can still find JavaScript in it. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any suggestion or doubt regarding it, then please comment down. And the code is uploaded on the GitHub. You can visit my GitHub page or click the link in the description to see the code. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.